Hello, let me walk you through a brief demonstration of our budgeting app, WhatchamaBudget, and some of its features. WhatchamaBudget has a landing page with a brief overview of what the application is about and a way to get in touch with the developers. On the sign up page, users can create new accounts for the WhatchamaBudget app. Let's create a new one now. Oops, looks like I made some mistakes, but that's okay because the app will tell me about them. We've successfully created a new account. Let's log in. Now that we're successfully logged into our new account, let's link some of our bank accounts. WhatchamaBudget uses the Plaid API, which has access to thousands of different banks. Using Plaid, users can connect to their real-life bank accounts and import information about those banks and their most recent transactions into WhatchamaBudget. Users can visit their profile page to view linked bank accounts and update how far back the application will look for transactions from these bank accounts. Users can visit the Overviews page to view information and statistics concerning their most recent transactions, such as the distribution of categories of these transactions as determined by Plaid, and how much money they spent per day. In an upcoming update to the application, users will be able to filter this data based on both the bank that this data is coming from and the individual bank account that this data is coming from. The Transactions page shows a list of the user's most recent transactions. These transactions can be sorted by date, description, category, and amount. They can also be filtered via a search bar, and the transactions are paginated so that as many as necessary can be displayed at a time. Users can also create new custom transactions that do not come from a bank account. Let's create a new transaction now. Transactions can also be edited. The newest version allows users to further categorize their transactions into specific budgeting-themed categories and change them later if they need to. The latest version of WhatchamaBudget also allows users to create and view information about budgets on the Budgets page of the application. The Goals page allows users to create their own new budgeting goals. These budgeting goals can be a variety of different types, such as debit payoffs, house loan payoffs, savings, and custom. Lastly, users can create and view expenses. Let's create a new one now. This expense will first occur on 4/17/2020 in the amount of $20 and will be reoccurring every 1 month.